Hi, it's Lee from Masons Kings. We're just here at Woodlands Leisure Park today doing an install of the new Grillo TS2200. We were asked to do a demo a couple of months ago. Successful demo, and today we're here to do the installation, run through all the service points.
Oh, cup holder. We got a cup holder.
Oh, hey!
Right, so let's go through the machine?
Yeah, sure.
Yes, please.
Yeah? That's good. So your daily checks, your oil, radiator and coolant level. Hydraulic oil level, visual check. Greasing, okay. So what you'll notice on here is a chart. So all your grease points are in here.
Nice.
We have got diff lock, which will lock the front axles. So just push that one down, and you can bring the steering column to yourself.
Oh.
Okay. So your pedals, you got forward and reverse. Okay, forward reverse, hydrostatic transmission, and then you have got a brake here. You've got a 12 volt DC outlet just there.
Charge your phone up.
You can charge your phone up. We can tip at any point, so we don't need to be all the way up the tips. So just finished the installation. The guys are all happy now with all the controls, how it works, operation, service, bits and pieces.
Oh, yeah.